When India was pedaling on cycles, Kinetic powered its wheels.
Shri H.K. Firodia introduced the Luna in 1972, marking a revolutionary moment in the auto industry with its innovative design and unmatched convenience, becoming a household name and an icon of mobility. During a time when kick-starting scooters was the norm in India, Kinetic introduced the revolutionary button start. Kinetic Honda DX, a pioneering creation, was introduced by the esteemed Dr. Padmashri Arun Firodia in 1984, showcasing his dedication to innovation and excellence in the automotive world. Continued to push the boundaries of innovation by introducing remarkable models like the Blaze Italiano, featuring a powerful 165cc engine. Under Mr. Ajinkya Firodia's leadership since 2003, Kinetic Moto Royale defied conventional norms by introducing a remarkable lineup of superbikes from esteemed brands like MV Agusta, Hyosung, FB Mondial, and SWM. Continued the Firodia legacy of innovation and excellence. Kinetic Engineering Limited has evolved into a manufacturer of automotive components, with a strong focus on expanding its presence in the global market through exports. This diversification highlights KEL's adaptability and commitment to staying at the forefront of the automotive industry. Kinetic is steering towards the future with a dedicated focus on cutting-edge technologies for electric vehicles and transmission systems. The company is actively engaged in building a comprehensive ecosystem that aligns with the evolving needs of the automotive industry. Kinetic, a golden jubilee of manufacturing and innovation,